So have you ever dreamed of escaping the city grind, venturing into the wild, but worried about losing that precious power source? Well, dream no more, because Jackery has just unveiled a game-changing concept at CES that will make your off-grid dreams a reality. Meet the Jackery Rooftop Tent, not your average camping setup. They've transformed the humble rooftop tent into a solar powerhouse, and it's set to hit production by the end of 2024. Now get this. The retractable solar panels on this bad boy can produce up to 1,000 watt when you're parked and soaking up the sun. That's enough to generate around 4.96 kilowatt hours per day in the western US, or a still impressive 4 kilowatt hours as you head east. And hey, we're talking about a tent here, not some massive solar farm. Unlike traditional setups with flexible panels that compromise efficiency, Jackery's rooftop tent covers the entire roof with solar cells, extending them outward. This not only maximizes power generation, but also integrates the wiring seamlessly to feed the Jackery power station. Now, the concept tent is paired with a separate 1.26 kilowatt hours E1000 Plus power station. With 2,000 watt of AC output, you can run a portable air conditioner, a car fridge, or even cook up a storm with an electric cooker. And the best part? It's compatible with expansion batteries for up to 5 kilowatt hours of energy storage. Now, the E1000 Plus is versatile. You can charge it from your car while driving or plug it into a wall jack. Quick math, 7 hours on the road or just 1.7 hours at home, and you're good to go for your next off-grid adventure. Now, let's talk creature comforts. This isn't just a tent, it's a cozy cocoon on wheels. Jackery's got your back with memory foam mattress, insulation for those chilly nights, and dimmable lighting with color control, because ambience matters. And waterproof fabric with blackout windows, they've thought of everything. Oh, and did I mention it's fitted with an onboard charging module? Details to come, but color me intrigued. It's clear that companies like Jackery are paving the way for a new era of off-grid living. So whether you're an overlander, a van lifer, or just a weekend warrior, these fully integrated solutions are making it easier than ever to bring your modern comforts with you. Why settle for a crummy urban apartment when you can turn every location into your inspiring office space? And that's a wrap for today, adventure seekers. If you enjoyed this solar-powered tent extravaganza, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech wonders, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a solar-fueled update. Until next time, peace out.